So right now I'm actually looking at this web page, right, which is actually accessible offline. As you can see, I think I only entered this address right the first time, and now it's actually logged in. Now I can actually try to create a page so that I know whether this is functional. If I click here, right, I think we not won't be able to do it because there is need of a network. So I'm just gonna go back. So one thing which you can actually do is to actually create local pages while we are in the computer, for example, just like that. Then I'm gonna actually click like edit with Elementor, since I use Elementor to design anything. So we're just gonna be testing and see whether this works. So it seems like some of the content which requires internet access, right, will not be able to be shown here, as you can see. Yeah, but well, let's see whether we can actually design just a basic a hero section using this whole thing, right? For example, so we're just gonna actually change the background color, put in black, for example. Then I'm just gonna drag and drop a heading. Then I'm gonna say welcome to WordPress offline. I think this is just for testing and etc, right? But the main purpose of this, I don't know. I haven't read anything. I just saw an article on Facebook and I decided to just actually click and see whatever we have here. So yeah, I've got everything. If I'm gonna actually publish, let's see whether it's gonna actually open another URL despite this. So I'm gonna actually click view page, and it loads us to a different page, and voila, I've got access to this page, which is nice. Everything is offline, which is interesting though. So I think it just requires one person to actually have internet access at one time, and then you actually get that thing running on your computer, and then you can use it. So let me try to view it in Edge. Okay, so I cannot view it in this browser because I don't know, maybe it actually runs on my Chrome browser on its own. So let's try to see what we can face when we actually install it. So when we visit the page, so I'm gonna be connected to the internet, and let's say this is my first time visiting this page, right? So what's gonna be happening is gonna be saying preparing WordPress. I think something is happening in the background where maybe it's actually saving most of the files behind the scene, etc, so that we can actually develop it when we are actually offline. So I'm just gonna wait for it while it's we on online here and see what's gonna happen. So preparing WordPress. Oh, there was a link which showed there which I didn't actually get a chance to see. So welcome to WordPress etc etc. So this is a private WordPress. That's free and needs no account. It's stored in your local browser and it will be here when you come back. Ah, wonderful. What's your name? Let's say gift. Right, then I'm gonna click continue and name updated. So voila, so with everything. So I'm gonna choose to disconnect from the internet, right? I'm now disconnected, right? So let's see whether I'm able to actually view gift see WordPress website. When I click here, and you see we're offline and we are able to do so, which is interesting. So for those who just go to the website one time, then you'll be able to access to edit the website etc offline. So I think you can actually try this WordPress thing where you can actually install your plugins etc. I think it just avoids the whole issue about a downloading some local servers etc. Yeah, I think that's the concept. I don't know, I'm just assuming, right? Yeah, I think so. Well, cheers, thank you for watching my video. Bye for now.